Filipino is resilient. Filipino is resilient.
Sentry, hold your papers.
The Resiliency of a Filipino by William G. Bacani. Filipino is resilient since time immemorial. We are tested by countless calamities. We are tested by volcanic eruptions, devastating earthquakes and lahar flows, super typhoons, flash floods and landslides. Victoriously, we surmounted these ordeals and pains beyond imagination of the human race. Instant death of our loved ones, claimed by transportation mishaps and natural disasters. Thousands also died in hunger and malnutrition, including ambushes and endless wars in Mindanao. They trampled our basic human rights, such as the right to live.
I lost my loving husband, who didn't want to join Abu Sayyaf.
I lost my only son, who opted to become a military man. We lost our innocent children and women. We lost our homes and properties. Survivors are Filipinos. The wrath of nature and cruel destiny may steal everything from us. Wealth, properties, and families. But the Filipinos never give up.
I will stand. I will stand.
I will stand!
We will stand and pick up the shattered pieces of myself and continue to live. Resolute to survive, clothed with an inspiration to live, not only for my family, but also for my beloved country. Filipinos unite in the midst of crisis, regardless of socio-economic status, tradition, and creed. The world has seen the magnanimous spirit of the Filipinos in crucial times. The gap between the rich and the poor was narrowed. Envy was replaced by sympathy. Hatred was conquered by love. Selfishness was set aside. And saving one's life is the ultimate desire. History tells us that the Filipinos have captured innumerable foes, natural and not, and shall always strive to champion in all odds, because innate in the Filipino is the will to survive. We may be daunted by the horrible scenes around us, but certainly we will be strengthened by our unwavering faith in God. We have been lauded by many nations in the world for our resiliency during disasters. Others die in saving lives, but only few realize that we are able to survive, because our spirit to fight is deeply anchored from faith that God Almighty will never forsake us. I believe that Filipinos, divided by varied doctrines and cultures, are capable to be on top of any situation if united.